For 32 years, the Shinkansen, or bullet train, has been providing long-distance rail transport throughout Japan. These trains are renowned for safe, high-speed comfort. The current version of Shinkansen operates at a ceiling of 275 kilometers per hour. In 1990, West Japan Railway Company began research to develop the next generation model with cruising speeds well over 300 kilometers per hour. The much heralded new trains will be quieter and faster than ever. A full-size test vehicle called Win 350 was built. Test engineers were able to reduce noise pollution while still achieving a stable operating speed of 350 kilometers per hour. Because Japan is so mountainous, there are numerous tunnels on the Shinkansen lines. When a high-speed train enters a tunnel, an effect called wind shock can exert dangerous stresses upon the driving car and coaches. The blast of air also produces a great noise out the far end of the tunnel. During the initial period of research and development, models were tested extensively in wind tunnels. A prototype of just the right shape was designed to resolve the problem of wind shock. Furthermore, it was very important to come up with a vehicle that would cause the least wind disturbance to trains on adjoining tracks. The nose was completely changed to give the train a sleeker, more aerodynamic profile. The driving car was stretched to 2.5 times the length of older models. The result? A vehicle resembling a jet on rails. Coach walls are curved like an aircraft fuselage to cut wind resistance. The cars were constructed from aluminum for weight reduction. A device called a pantograph, or electricity collector, enables most electric trains to receive current from overhead lines. The problem is that at high speeds, this frame whistles loudly in the air. Researchers found a natural aerodynamic design to minimize air disturbance, the staggered feather pattern of an owl's wings. It turns out that a zigzag shape on the pantograph struts mimics this feather pattern and reduces noise. This ultra-modern Shinkansen will soon be whisking passengers along in comfort and quietness. Much like an airliner, doors are sealed flush with cabin walls. Even the undercarriage is smooth and free from any gear which might impede airflow. The history of these bullet trains has been one of unparalleled safety, reliability, and popularity. The new higher speed model is eagerly awaited by long-distance travelers. Engineers are now conducting final tests to iron out any wrinkles before long-distance service begins. JR West plans to run this bullet initially on the line between Osaka City and the southern town of Fukuoka. It will only take a little over 2 hours to cover roughly 620 kilometers. Service will begin soon.